So Emerson and Renwick, or E+R Group, are a premier supplier of converting equipment. Converting equipment is equipment that can basically handle thin films or foils or non-wovens and papers and convert them by a process of unwinding, coating or printing and rewinding them. I had plenty of challenges, particularly after COVID. Like many other companies all over the world, we experienced a downturn in business. That coupled with high interest rates and also other sort of geopolitical, where the UK had an election, America had an election, seen a downturn in business. But since then, we've seen sort of significant growth. Well, RedCAT came along at a very opportune time for E+R. During or just after COVID, we were looking to develop a new range of machines, and one machine in particular, the Genesis Air, and we needed funding for that, and RedCAT came along with funding which allowed us to build a prototype machine. That prototype machine was sold to a company called Ilika based in the south of England, and they're a battery company, and from then it's allowed us now to build more than 10 of the Genesis Air machines. My advice would be do your research. We researched our markets really well and looked for a gap in the technology market, and that's when we developed the Genesis Air machine. So look at where you can offer a competitive advantage, really. Working with RedCAT was relatively easy. They just required regular updates on the project, and then they obviously wanted access to the product when we actually made it. The Gen Air is actually just behind me now, so that's the product of that. Also, Miranda Barker helped us a lot in making sort of connections with different sort of government organisations as well.